Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you, thank you for joining the wig review. Today's wig that I'll review today is by Outre. The unit that I'll be reviewing, or the style that I'll be reviewing, is Outre Melted Hairline in the style Chloris. So go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents of whether you should be getting this video. Let's go. So the unit does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps, a pre-attached wide elastic band. It does come with soft AG transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting area, and it is left side part. The unit is 24 inches. The color that I have is DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey. It does come with baby hairs. So as you can see from the video right here, I am cutting it with my jagged scissors. I did already tint the lace with some even tinted hairspray, but before I did it, I combed the hairs to the back and I clipped it with the duck clips just to, you know, get it out of the way so I could cut the lace and tint the lace as well. So I got the hairs out of the way. So now that we have done this, so let's go ahead and put on. Let's see how she looks on. The hair does look tweezed, so I need to go ahead and do any more tweezing or plucking. I already don't know how that will. Anyway, I'm trying though. I don't know how yet. I'm still trying. One day I'm gonna get done. Okay, let's go ahead and put on. She did tingle a bit before I brushed it out, and yeah, she tingles, and I haven't even done anything to it, just cut the lace. She also did tingle before I cut the lace, so be mindful of that one. This one might be with that tingles. So the unit was a little bit big, like excessively big. I don't know, it's the second unit that I've done that is so big that I have to lay it down. I cannot wear it glueless. I don't know. So yeah, I went ahead and added some even. First I tried the Fantasia and it didn't hold because I guess I have to lay it down first with the even. So I went ahead and added the even and tried to dry it down tacky. That didn't help, so I had to put the headband. So yeah, just waiting for it to dry. So now that you watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about my thoughts on the unit. At first, I hated the unit, if I'm being honest. I really hated the unit. I couldn't get it to look like the stock card. This is she. Come a little closer. Granted, we have different colors. I think we have a different color. Yeah. So the color shown is DR Brown Sugar Swirl. I got DR FF4 Hazelnut Honey. I hated it. I hated it. I couldn't figure out how to get it to look right on my head. I just couldn't figure it out. And I was feeling like, you know what, forget this. I was just going to trash this wig. And then went to the bathroom, put it behind my ear, and I was like, we're on to something. We are on to something. And now I love her. Love this gorgeous unit. I absolutely love this unit. Granted, like I said in the video, it tangles. So if you don't add some tangle-free spray in there or some wig spray, it's going to keep tangling. If you don't brush it out, it's going to tangle. So just be mindful of that. But do I love the unit? Now I do. But it's hot. The unit is hot. Hot. So do that what you want to. But now I love the unit. You know, I might try to style it different ways. We don't know. But it is a left side part, like I said in the video. And I was trying to remember, do I prefer left or right? I honestly cannot remember. I feel like I just roll with whatever. If the unit's a cute unit, I don't care what side the part is on, I'm gonna make it work. Because I was really trying hard to remember which side part that I enjoyed before I went on a little breaky break. And I don't remember, so I apologize. Actually, I don't remember. But this one is cute. This one is cute. I love the color. I love the waves. Or curls, whatever you want to call it. I really enjoy these. And yeah, it's giving me Beyonce. It really is giving Beyonce. But if I were to cut it, just like right here, I think it'd be cuter. Or maybe into an angle bob, like coming down this way. Couldn't tell me nothing. But yeah, overall, I love the unit. Leave a link so you can buy it. So then that way you can see the price. I commit to that. But I ain't gonna commit to tell you the price because then I'm gonna forget what I'm editing and they're gonna hold me to it, and we're not doing this. Okay, we're not. Okay, so yeah. So overall, love the unit. Great unit. I think it's beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. Child, I had to lay it down. Y'all know I hate laying them units down because it's back to back. So what is the point, in my opinion? So I hate laying my units down. But this one, child, if I ain't laid down, it'll be talking to y'all all through the video, and we don't have that. So this is the second unit that I reviewed that needed to be laid down. Needed. I have a wig grip under there, and it still needed to lay down. So yeah. So it's very beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. Once you just put a little bit in the front. So I think I laid just right here down, and the sides not laid down. So you could still do something. Even if you don't know how to glue it down, something. Just put some hairspray and tap. You're done. There you go. So I still say it is very beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. You don't have a lot to do. So yeah. So overall, love the unit. And that's what I had for you guys. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. And I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.